This is a quick demonstration of my regular expressions add-on for Google Spreadsheets. If you go to your add-ons menu, once it's installed, you choose regular expressions and show sidebar. First time you run it, it's going to have to ask for permissions. It may wait until the first time that you click one of these buttons. So what it does is it implements 3 of the JavaScript regular expression type methods: the regular expression test method, the string replace method, and the regular expression exec method. And I'll show you what each of them do. For testing, what you're doing is basically a find. So if I write a regular expression, I say I want to find anything that has an HU in it and hit test. Well, first I've got to highlight the information that I want to test. We matched 0 cells. I'll try it again. And we matched 3 cells there. They have HU in them. Now, of course, you could do that with any kind of a find. But extra things that regular expressions have, you can do something like HU has to be at the beginning. That only matches 2 of them. Or stuff like it has to have 3 digits in a row. That kind of stuff. So that's where you get into the power of regular expressions. Now that was test. What replace does the same type of thing, but you get to fill in stuff you're going to replace it with. So I'll take any 3 digits and I'll replace them with NNN. And that's what happened over here. Replace can get pretty powerful too. Let's say when we typed in all of these part numbers, these groups of letters were supposed to come after these groups of numbers. So what I'll do is I'll match 1 or more letters. I'll put that in parentheses because I want that to be a match group. That's going to be followed by 1 or more digits, and then a dash, and then well, I don't care what comes after the dash because I just want to flip these 2. So I will replace that with $2, $1 dash. So I'm going to take whatever matched the second match group, put it before whatever matched the first match group, and put the dash back in also. Now if I hit replace, what we had with AB123 and TFD4356, we now have 123AB and 4536 TFD. So the letters and the numbers got swapped. The letters and the numbers before the dash. I could have put a third match group up here for the numbers after the dash. Alright, now let's look at exec. What exec does is it takes that idea of match groups and it pulls the data out of the match group into other columns. So let's do what we did before. So we've got the letters, the numbers, a dash, and some more numbers. Well, I don't care what's over there. Could be anything. And now if I hit exec, I'm going to highlight them all. I'll just highlight 3 this time. I hit exec, and these columns get filled out with what matched the whole this whole expression, and then what matched each match group that I had in parentheses. So this can get really powerful. Now one thing about this exec method is it will overwrite stuff that was in these columns. So before you use exec, you'll want to insert some columns, but you can also just undo whatever you did also. Alright, that is the regular expression add-on for Google Spreadsheets, and I'll put some links down in the description to some references on how to write JavaScript regular expressions.